in examination point of view, sometimes you can ask the question, why colligative property of electrolytes are greater than colligative property of non-electrolyte of same concentration. म्हणजे एखादा इलेक्ट्रोलाइट ची कोलिगेटिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी आणि नॉन इलेक्ट्रोलाइटची कोलिगेटिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी हे सेम कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनला जर कोलिगेटिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट ही कशापेक्षा जास्त असते तर कोलिगेटिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ नॉन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स. Then in this point, main electrolytes are dissociated into two or more ions. Means that the electrolytes are dissociated into two or more ions, and non-electrolytes are does not dissociate. It is also differently considered, and then the colligative property of electrolytes are greater than those of the non-electrolytes because the electrolytes are dissociated into two or more ions. The number of the two or more means that number of particles also increases. Means that number of particles also increases, and they also dissociate into this solution, and they also they shows colligative property. Means that colligative property depends upon number of solute particle. Here number of solute particles जर वाढले तर ऑटोमॅटिक कोलिगेटिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी बदलते, कारण कोलिगेटिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी डिपेंड्स अपॉन नंबर ऑफ सोल्यूट पार्टिकल, नॉट डिपेंड्स अपॉन नेचर. म्हणजे कोलिगेटिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी ही नेचरवर अवलंबून नसून नंबर ऑफ सोल्यूट पार्टिकलवर अवलंबून असल्यामुळे ते काय होतं, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट डिसोसिएट टू और मोर आयन, and then due to this reason the number of particles also increases, and then colligative property of electrolytes greater than those of the non-electrolyte solution when both having same concentration. But the colligative property of solution is higher than those of the non-electrolyte solution. Consider the example. Suppose NaCl, another one is the sucrose, both having same concentration 0.1 molar, sucrose having same concentration 1 molar, but the NaCl is a dissociate into Na plus Cl1 minus ion. Means these two ions are dissociate into these electrolytes, and then sucrose do not dissociate. Means that the colligative property 2 or twice greater than those of the sucrose solution. म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की NaCl चे आयन डिसोसिएट होतील म्हणून त्याचं कोलिगेटिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी ही दुप्पट असते कशापेक्षा, सुक्रोज सोल्युशन पेक्षा किंवा सुक्रोज नॉन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट पेक्षा. दोन्हींचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन सेम असेल तरी सुद्धा. दिस इज द आन्सर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, why colligative property of electrolytes are greater than colligative property of the non-electrolyte having same concentration. And then next point is the Ventov factors. Ventov factor. The Ventov factor is denoted by small I. Here Ventov factor is the colligative property related to the different colligative property, lowering of the vapor pressure, osmotic pressure, then elevation in boiling point, and then depression in freezing point. Here Ventov factor is denoted by small I. Small I is equal to, here the colligative property of electrolyte solution divided by colligative property of non-electrolyte. Consider here this equation can be also written as I. Ventov factors denoted by small I, and then Ventov factors of the colligative properties of the electrolytes which is related to the non-electrolytes, and then Ventov factors is defined as or state as the colligative properties of the electrolyte solution divided by colligative properties of the non-electrolyte solution. Once again this statement, it is the ratio of colligative properties of the electrolytic solution divided by colligative properties of the non-electrolyte solution. And then this equation or Venta factors which is related to the lowering of the vapor pressure, depression in freezing point, elevation in boiling point, and osmotic pressure, I is equal to delta TF divided by delta T0F and is equal to delta TB divided by delta T0B is equal to delta P divided by delta P0 is equal to pi upon pi 0. The superscript 0 shows that this is the colligative properties of the Venta factors of the non-electrolyte solution, and then delta TF non-superscript is also considered as a colligative properties of the electrolyte solution. And then this formula again written in this way: I is equal to formula of the mass of the substance divided by observed molar mass of the substance. The actual formula mass is of the substance divided by observed molar mass of the substance by elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, osmotic pressure and lowering of the vapor pressure. This value can be written in this way: I is equal to M theoretical divided by M observed value. And in this way, Venta factors which can be calculated, this value I is value can be calculated by this formula.